Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a quilt that I have made a while back, but I wanted to revisit it. I really wanted to make another quilt with this same pattern, but this time I want to do it in blue. So come along and let me show you how I put this together. I start out by cutting 5-inch strips. You could also use a charm pack. You could buy a charm pack. They come in 5-inch squares. So that would make it easier and you wouldn't have to do all this cutting. At the end of this video, I will put in what I ended up doing with the blocks that I made last week. And then you want to get ready to put the blocks together. You'll take a blue and a white and put them together. I put the pretty sides together. I always call it the pretty sides. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ruler and draw a line from point to point, just like this. I would do it on the blue side if I was you. I'm doing it on the white so you can see the line. And here I just want to show you like just a scant 1/4 inch is what you want to do on both sides of this line. And then you just want to pin it so it doesn't move. And for the second block, you are going to sew a 1/4 inch on each side. Just to show that, I thought I would go ahead and draw a 1/4 inch. That way you know exactly where to sew. And you're going to want to pin this so this block doesn't move also. And here are the 2 blocks that you will be using for this entire quilt. And then it is time to cut them apart. You could use scissors for this block or just use your rotary cutter. Just being careful not to cut any of the stitches and only cutting on the line. And just like that, you have 2 blocks ready for this quilt. And now I'm going to take my 2.5-inch ruler and I'm going to place it right there and cut right through the middle and turn it and do the opposite direction. And look how many of these you get. You will get 4, which will make 2 blocks to also go with this quilt pattern. And now I want to get this block ready to square up, and so I like to give it a good press first. Here I just want to show that when you sew this block together, this is the only thing you need to remember with this. As long as you get those two seams together just like that, it is going to be perfect. Your points will be perfect every time. Then you just want to give it a good press and get ready to square it up. You want each block to square up to 4.5 inches. I happen to have this ruler that is exactly 4.5 inches, and I will use that to square each block up by putting that line in the middle, right directly in the middle of the block. And then I just wanted to show you the pattern that will continue no matter how big you make the quilt. You are going to want to make it like this way that each block is pointed. This is kind of a fun one too, because you could turn it around and make so many different blocks out of these little blocks. And then I just want to put it up on my design wall so I can stand back and make sure it's exactly how I want it. This was so much fun to make. I hope you'll give it a try. And at the end of this video, I will put 2 of my other videos up that you can click on if you'd like to. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. I ended up turning it into pillow covers. I needed a refresh in my living room.